mala ka changdar chai nyor ka dung din media ka changa wal kel ka pai warau karon kin dang rau de jandang rau de diech agan mak bangut gok bay nong lar tila no yin siang ka dung din media ka tin lar karo de re jinu Sudan ken na win mon ndo dien an wal ka changa wal kel ka pai warau dung din media be nong lar mi special ka Quick Gambella region maka take a message mo ka nuar to kon ta Gambella ka Quick kur ndan laro Gambella ka kornin tiri baka roi ka security Gambella ka baka roi ka political situation ka Gambella me message da we ka nuar Gambella no wo jira mandan la gurna ni chang ka dung din media mi chi jo mi chi je yo online linge ka be share gu yo share bane ko no wan ti lut message ma ka chi ka ji Gambella be ko lu shuk min nam man bar rajo da Quick Gambella bala update ka security situation ka Gambella chane nen ka kor ni reality ko te ko kor mi ro da Gambella kor Gambella che tuo ko kor ni ma ka lew ti la kon ka linga akbar en wo nuor na ka ra Gambella na ka kam dum ni yen re nuor wo den ka Gambella abar na mo che la development mi ci jal ka kor ni me che tuo no ko man ni am pan ja wana me ko ni dang re pai wo cha turbil ma bulan se mi jen kwergang mi jen ka nuor zun we ka Gambella cha dwaj mai dor mi chala bol Bolomo is about 5-6 kilometers away from Gambella town. May talk incident mo in the same day, the same changamo. She bandit. Let me say it. Waka nun gunman to tabar. She can now drive mic in the center of Gambella town. Cha bang, Michelle Grand Bang. Mita nuori, takare de kwa nuori to the thin kwa target. Cha one of the banker. Mo would nuori chanak. Cha thanas ko kien about 2 of them chaganak ne de ko de kwa target kane de professional tanken were a PhD candidate student ti tugniken ke PhD niken so no it was a security incident that happened in Gambella cha Gambella che jainial for first time now ke ko ni darot mo kune rajo de message na la ne ko we ke Gambella Kodi and situation na to Gambella che nuor ko kien te gwa mo kien che lo dien jajeg ko odi Gambella historically adoran mi chiti nyin wan to go che gala record che gad kon jaga pit che la gwa mo gwa kon mi ke this following years to ko rai ma chakalati te gad kon to nyuro Gambella which mean any question of Gambella today it's a question of the Nuer of Gambella alone into contrary Gambella. A question of Nuer Dial didn't take benefit Mijay Gambella as their land. So me to walk we have the story of Gambella ko bar tanda take Nuer Gambella take a historical dispute. Historical dispute mo edung land. We know about Gambella land. And somebody with experience of Gambella land like me, very clearly, the land of Gambella, to a generation, eastern parts of Baro River, where Penica Bar Kala, Nidaga, Elababur, and Gambella, eastern part of the river, Kuyir, to a generation, one of a Tokat, one of a Kade, where Penica Ball. And I talk my shackle thing today. I want to go with him. I want to rag and bell. Where are the pay? Where you are no bar color. A land of Mokele, a land or Eastern Bank. So, which is the position of Nuor, but a thin coruni. La Kincha Longala can Nuor contra Gambella, which is the center of our topic today. Mugurgo Bagala Nuor Gambella. Issue of land more, but they have their own position. Taken Nuori. They come from South Sudan. They are not part of Ethiopia. But they are trying everything. Take a historical event. Did you call it to talk Gambella about the issue of land? Mala talk about Malanakanore. I can't worry about Nedora, which is not true. You know the story of Gambella. Gambella over Yatin, Alarek, Mitagata, and it was 1901 ngun dem bog na tega 1901 take history the golo go ya penyidi and the reason ya the pen ge colonist e wudi e bruti kana pray ku cho be yene bruti cho wo Italy di ku cho yene ge Italy di cho pen ge Ethiopian an di bala rol Ethiopian tam ka ngande de tin ge da men mo this is story me clear ngaike Nuer are part of Gambella based on their land based on wo chaka wano so me to go jibara lat ke kor wada barbo when we talk about a specific incident here at Gambella take Koriro land and I can talk about one core I was a witness that was 1998 Korma you to come Nuer can bar and the issue of Kore Tarke edung tok Nuer so it was a policy the federal government of Ethiopia ko took baga gor ko walayat ne jiken totin tok Nuer wo tok mudir ko wan Nuer Gambella subaro ya tok Nuer aba gor Gambella chola kor chwatera was a student karas go ben ka Gambella kon ga adwel gor wa kor mater chu Nuer te kon te la Nuer te de tin to kor ma wa support again and we were supporting one man more deputy minister of education Gambella mo Nuer which you allowed to a bull cat. I wish he's alive now, Gambella. Chala Urmedit. So, you chong a boom. A period of 3-4 days, we were about 15 hours, we were going to create Gambella, can I run? Teach our mother that bar because of that issue. May Nuer insist, may a kapka noon, may now a federal government, project tell a bar reason to say, was I told Nuer or you are told Nuer. Up to now, we are seeing Nuer Gambella is the dominant language. Right Burgaje, right Bungaje, right God Congaje. Chadi below in terms of script, Chagor. So that was the historical event. Today can God Gambella, Conra Gambella, and Tamadega learn from. They don't want to see a war and incident of 1998. They got the Gambella, Yalodaba Gambella, THP, the Gambella, and the issue in the entire Gambella issue of land, which is historical problem. To take a benefit to all. Timbijaga Gambella and Tame, you are speaking Nuer, Gorian Tong Nuara, Ladian Kunga Tong Nuara, is because of people who struggled that time. The double cat, Tetin. Which 2025 today. As we said, the problem of Gambella, she did take a sequence. Teach our audience. And if you compare the population of Nuer from 1995, because when I said from 1995 to 2003, I have experience of Gambella, and I had situation the thing. Population Nuer in 1995, about 2003, and the population Nuer today get 2025. Who compare? The population land go to look at one. So if you talk about the Nuer of 1995, Gambella, Chankana Jonglei, Chankana New Land, Chankana Shankwar, Kadal Kuch, Kotaba. Yeah, I got to find out the Lord. Then go out on an one burray Gambella. And if you go to this story called Coon and a bur Changare Gambella for how many years, and the reason they just you or the Orient. Is because the world are not going to cheer, Charek Chamnoki, Borchik, Barek, Chicken in a big number, Bagajuga Yor, big Jenny, big Jenny, big Gambella. So during the federal government, Chibajoy and a share can one Gambella, which is not because they are land, it is because they migrate from their mainland, Chibera Gambella. Gambella is a territory quite share, a dur, dung diet, Gambella. So a new issue of land, Shoreland. Nular Kore own water to Korgan water tot. Zobumke. Like that time, Yamala Jamako during 1990s. Water to Korn Teta Gambella. God can ka Gambella and Tama. Lakin personalities take on, Canada boom. Today God can take a learn from them. Ko issue of Gambella, she am a tot. And which Alana one. That Mugur Rukur, they tear Mugur right, they let. That time, to go I talk about Bullcat was education personality. Ted will go. that was Bolwal, take land of Gambella, Katamalimat. You can talk of Tunya Badang, Taka Kentiba, Kakatama Sadader, Kagambella. You can talk of personalities of Ken, not Gacha Gaini, not Shol Kuri, not Native country, Chicaman war, generation. So now I told you what the issues which were allowed to burg at that time. And if you see no record, they both can what a thought, what in your teeth. She may have got Kenya, Quereg and Bal, and very few. Sugar succeed. So now we're going to 2025. You know the area still called the Chow fight and Waraka Gambella. From Gambella, la the border of El Babur, Naga Barkala. The East Bank. The reason many bar lot today were then worry, she could be Chango Gambella, 1, 2, 3 reason. Any reason they larken. Coach I long, come away a year Gambella. Nam, she could take a program to kill you Nagaye. Program more, chap on the side, Tanang Yun, chap monetize. Go, okay, Malarke can, a go by a terrify. Nuer of Gambella. Brand wal go away Gambella or Nakana, Barga Gambella, not because by a way Gambella be a by a limit. By your migration from village, Nukun would do a Raga Gambella by limit again. Could Shabuan a Raga Gambella, Shabuan Harban sentest around Gambella region. She would arrange by a way again. They go by a terrify, banana, Redun, Brahmi, no situation, no very volatile like that. She need a year to Chicago. She do country visitors from other part of region. She go a year. I have good. Again, the main objective on the north. Malaka bar. Kawodi, Chamonatai, she will allow Ganishang, take organization to organize bar in America, let's say in Western world, in the region in Africa here, in Gambella itself. Togurum. To yo at all, you for motivation of the content or delinquents, criminal again. God can call criminal. It's around program, Koroada and agent. Baka would identify again, Baka Yerka yo, by your winner will fulfill the Benuari bigger up, you will be given money. We mean cham monetize. That money is there. Dark or audience, Kegoban objective more, I implement again, Kagambel. No, the killing of Nuer of Gambella will continue because of money. Now, Nuer is our culture. We respect the law. Look on Ganun. Like the Ethiopian government, you are in. But here I more. Take Ganun. And that you cannot think, what you go where you as a door. We are tired of the alone, whatever it is. It cannot happen. Kerama talk, Kakara talk, Kichama talk. Instead, Bala can teach a rock and without a specific organization. This year, organize, came to the down and take a bird. A Shiabangayo, you are important. Kishaka by identifying an economic objective, Mudeo Waselu, by Nangi bird, by a knocker. When we turn up, go on and be at a band, Bukumi Ben, Dublin, Ben. And you will just only cry, which I'm going to and the same like Anuak, if they come to you and bird direct, can you learn and down, commit to pick work a year? The government will fight them. They will talk. But because of organization by now, and the objective of Naga year is because quite terrifying that you will not come to Gambella. She have a theory, carbon sentence. They are saying the barbugo. Min could a lot of work at learn one. So we allow 2025 American all these things that we mentioned about gang group, about criminal group, about organization of money, about who, Chai Renyan, in Jigambel, Chai Redan, into the good Burma de Relat. You go Buna, Yen Bana, one napping, money and be a yen be a cowan napping. Who come when you are by Jagla talk on a day? Chaguri Bay, would it? By another long, be a bench. So culture go bribe me kiri develop ga Gambella ci bari bu pan. Bi ci bod or bi alel bi anyo ko lu yene ga a bay. You will not exist in Gambella by a terrify again. Ko bi aro na ke dar objective go bi yendo or rebe go re yendia. Re yenu ku yendi Gambella ya lo you feel it oh yes. Dung bara be go re answer. Whatever you are able to do, you contribute. Me moral support, you support. Physical and if you are able, you do it. So that is to you, Yene call a Gambel. Kako, Conwaro Ken, Tilling a Gambel. The era, a won nakaye. Not because by Gambel, because we know your capacity. Then a long noon. Shirabala Nego, the corner of Quen, you wouldn't call a Quen to a Gambel, 90s, 80s, early. Chicken ate you well equipped like the way you are today in Gambella. Most of them she would go on a Quen and bomb the Conte, the Gambella painted queer bar with a small number of Nuer. Could you succeed? Canada can go along. They were high school leavers. Ngay ra nó tung bút tròn, bị chưa không? Cái chuyện này để chuyện là. Compared to you today, cái Gambella, you cannot talk of higher education certificate cái Gambella today. Again diploma, again bachelor degree, again master, again PhD. Kaya about the professional like Ethiopian government institution of the government of Ethiopia. Siago fai. Ka Gambella you are academician, kayen doctor, kayen engineer. There is no problem. Compared to Nadia Con, the Lanaka and talk Gambella yes be. Shata along. So no today, nobody can say the word and a table in Yanga Gambella. Me right be a lot, to win clear. So me population union whereby Jack you are dominant in Gambella. Me historical event by Jack record no clear Ethiopian government. She a lot. So tell you a problem. This time tell you a problem. Only that you need to organize yourself with objective. Well, objective la burka na. Like if we talk about number one, na kwa one and micha nagna you rebel. We know what rebel the barbu godwal. Hey, be nakanas. Micha rana attack wala yarana you rebel. That modality of barbu gajabu godwal ko and they keep attacking you. Number two, we will be at a community objective, which will land of Gambella by equally distribute a par. We will turn on to land of Eastern Barrow. A landun. It has to call the problem. Tintamilaya Nagatin Shekabol, a part of New Land. As a community, as a tribe, and because of your security, like existential threat. Kabar, kan corridors mo. Posi nure go bar ga yena wano. De bar de mat pit. Aramat ka West Bank of Baro River ku yir to ko de tang wono go awe pekteno ka wotel. Ku yibe ku du. Position that even the government of Ethiopia. Ku wona me munda plad wona eti na kana ye wane. It is a security threat ka ko. Shira ba bolome ke kade. Rekanai. But you will understand. Number one. And number two, I mean. So, relative that are very important for you in Gambella. Ko wona ne micha na gran you revenge the barbaga deter. Again, issue of land and under eastern corridors of Baro River and Landun. And the threat will come and go to the NBA stopped. And OBI stop negotiating the position of the community of the tribe, who land more lander, they are fight. But dear, you man talk right when the issue of Gambella, she don't got ya corodian. Nobody can think one and a young guy jagal and a man and alone. No. Whoever in Gambella. Rabata Gambella and Tama issued. That I'm talking along with Nuer Gambella, as you know, the benefit of Gambella, or not only for Guy Jack, is you to contribute it. So the other talk can message in the corner of Gambella, and in summary, it will come to work the job. One row kin. So we are seeing you just like that a nakaye. Our confident never along that nobody can uproot you, Gambella, to be a way like Gambella. But our message is you organize yourself. But you go to rebel, which I am not you rebel, then they will be deterred because well. Again, your threat may eastern corridors. Nugi tang open a Gambella, me la threat and Kuyamo Kuyirame. As a community, a land, don't you fight the land? A Boroki. Position of even Ethiopian government can stand with you. Don't be another care. Like Chong Kelly. So, to all currently, I'll let summary and the message directly we get Gambella, Nuer contra Gambella, and we talk a lot that our concern is what we are worried. Katana to Gambella, and we need you to respond as your people from outside. And thanks.